Hello everyone, welcome back to Jen White Posh. I'm here and I'm super duper excited. I threw on my fuzzy pajamas for some crafting, so I say cozy and warm. So if you've been following my YouTube, I have been talking about the 25 days of Christmas Advent calendar I've been building. So these are turning out pretty awesome. In my first video you saw that they were the plain white boxes, and I had just begun the beginning stages of my advent calendar. They're going to be 25 days of Christmas. They're going to get to pop them open. They come like a tree. It's really neat. But I wanted to let you guys know exactly how I'm doing it. So I've basically taken plain white boxes, 4x4, and I've started constructing them into the boxes for the advent. So I've taken some paper. This is some holiday paper. I actually got it on sale at Hobby Lobby, which was super awesome. I love sale. So what I did is I went out in, each box needs to have one for the top, one for the front, one for the side, and one for the other side. So that's a total of 4 pieces of paper. So I went ahead and I sized them to the size I need. I have them a little bit smaller than 4x4. That way it shows just a little bit on the white of the box, if you can see that. So then I cut up all the papers. Now what I do is I get these ready before, so I have lots and lots of papers pre-cut, lots of squares pre-cut, ready to go. And it's pretty easy. I just basically put some glue on them, some tacky glue, and I stick them right there, and it's pretty easy to do. It's a lot of fun too. I love to be able to craft and do this kind of thing, especially since I have kids at our home a lot. We have a busy household, and this is kind of a way for me to relax, unwind. So I applied my glue to all the corners, and then I'm going to go ahead and just stick it right onto the box. And I don't really measure. They're kind of, you know, pre-done. Like I said, I just make sure they're on there. And there is the start. So I'm going to go ahead, continue to add those to the 4 sides. And then the end result will end up being lots of cute boxes. Everyone is filled with something different inside. We're doing all kinds of little trinkets. There's Posh inside, full-size products, some samples, all kinds of good stuff, things to help you pamper. So I'm really loving this self-care advent calendar. I'm super excited about it, and definitely we've got some awesome pampering. We have an incredible starter kit right now that's worth over $360 in product. It's a double stocked gift Christmas awesome kit. You'll get the two of the 'Tis the Season to Be Freezing Big Fat Yummy hand creams. You'll get a body cream of Young Love, 2 of those. You'll get Holly Jolly Chunk. There is even a full flat of our fizzy bath bombs, and these are indulgent, decadent, amazing. And it's all for $99, and then you can start your own crafting fun. So yes, it is such an amazing thing happening right now in November at Perfectly Posh. I'm Jen White Posh, and I would love to help get you pampered. If you have any questions about the business or anything, please feel free to let me know, and I would super love to help you. I'm gonna continue building my boxes, and I'll make another video of what I do the next step to get to them. So I've got a lot of paper to do, and I'm super excited to get these out to everyone. I can't wait to hear what everyone thinks. Happy holidays, you guys.